Hi guys!
Safe flight, Jai! Huwag mo kalimutan
Have a safe flight!
Huwag mong kalimutan yung pasalubong mo sa akin.
I
Tingnan
can
mo
see
naman,
you.
ha?
They can see you.
You make ingat. Make
Ingat
ingat naman,
din.
Jai, ha? Akin yung pinakabonggang pasalubong. Ako naghatid sa'yo. Pagmumukha ko sa'yo to, Jai, ha? Kasi kung hindi, Jai, wag ka nang bumalik.
I'm going to Malaysia!
Yung light mo, ganito lang talaga to.
Alin?
Ito.
Oo, ganyan lang.
For the blind, ha? Oh my God, ano ba to? 68.
Take me home, take me on a ride. About the colors lighten up your eyes. Take me home, take
Dok, ikaw ang video ko dapat. Ba't ako?
tell me the only,
Ayaw nga.
Ang sabi ko pa naman sa kanya, iihingal ako.
tell me the only thing you are is mine now.
Hi, Doc John.
Hi!
We're going to surprise Dave.
I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. See, I'm seeing roses, baby. Just maybe you save me.
Wala si Jan dito, nag-iisip na ako, ba yan? Di talaga makakasama si Jan. Bad trip ka. Ang galing mong mag-pretend. Hindi ka nakakatuwa. Seryoso. Naiiyak na ako kagabi, ha? Alam mo to?
Alam niya.
Gago! Lungkot ba ako?
Kasi,
Akala ko di ka na makasama. Yay!
Parot mo?
Yay! Ang ganda ng color ng buhok mo.
yeah.
Your hair.
I was so puyat last night.
Yes, yes, yes! Oh my God!
Oh my God, we're going to.
We're going to the Air Astoria! Yay!
Busy ako kakulay ng buhok.
Ikaw din, uma-acting ka din kagabi. Sabi mo,
Kailangan
sabi
doon.
Sabi mo ba, naiiyak na rin ako doon, parang ano. Alam mo, legit yung iyak ko.
Naiyak sa tricycle. Well,
happy na.
ang tagal kasi nating di nagkita.
I'm so happy na manonood tayo kay Taylor Swift
Yeah,
together.
together. And,
With Doc Jan. Yeah, ganda ng ano ko no? Ganda ng merch.
yeah, show. And down.
Eyes take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got just lighten up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling.
Welcome to Malaysia. Parang di ba ganun yung mga vlog? Ay, yung mga vlogger din na naglalakad.
Hi guys.
Pakatawanan mo yun, Doc. Ano na-feel mo, Doc Jai, na nasa Malaysia ka na? Overwhelmed and amazed and
thankful.
how about you, Doc Jan?
Salamat.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure at all.
Take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only
Ano masasabi mo na sa Malaysia ka na at sa lugar ng kuya mo?
Hello. Anong bati? Yung sa ramen.
Yung masarap. Masarap siya.
O, diba?
Sarap.
True ba? Morning!
Our way.
Doctor, where are we going?
Oh, we're going to our hotel and then we're going to drop our luggage there and tour around Malaysia. Waiting for the grab.
Music. Oh, Artley.
Go!
Hi, Dokja.
So many nationalities. We have Brazilian, Korean, and
Tayo.
inahanap po namin yung Petronas Tower pero hindi po namin makita.
Ito na.
Tayo, lalabas lang tayo para makita yung buong building.
Okay.
Ayun na, doon na yun.
Ayun, yun. Makinig na lang kayo kay Doc Jan. Sabi ni Hana, mas maganda daw paggabi dito. So we'll see. Mamaya,
We'll see.
check ulit natin mamaya. Tikman na po natin. This is the moment of truth. Kaya ano sugar? Okay lang.
Yeah.
It's nice. Kaya try ko yung lagyan ng sugar pa.
It's sweet. Like my...
Like your friend.
Parang smell ka bang nag-mix?
Parang kitay do.
Para cute siya sa video, guys.
Yes. We don't want to be, ano. Oh my God! Nakikita yung kartihan natin sa ano. It's so nice, oh.
Yeah. Ano na? like earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, sarap. Masarap naman ang dumpling nila dito.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
Try this one. It's good.
It's
Yeah, I'm having
It's
caramel
macchiato.
macchiato with whip. And then Dave.
I have macchiato as well.
Caramel macchiato. Ito macchiato.
Ah, okay.
Kaya may parang siyang drizzles ng caramel.
Ito ka.
How's your donut?
It's good steak and shaymada. Easy donut.
Huh.
I will
How
try the strawberry flavor in here. Let me check first. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Okay, we're waiting for our grab.
We're waiting for
And we're just keep strolling around.
Malaysia.
In a way, yes. There
What?
are actually Filipino eateries in there, you know. Yeah. So
It's closed already?
You
can
try to go.
yeah, I mean you can check it out just to get a feel of the layout and everything.
Kotaraya.
Yeah, Kotoraya, correct. And again, I mean, obviously you came here to try the local cuisine.
Keep walking, keep walking.
I'll go with chicken biryani. Chicken biryani? Yeah, this one. Parang palamig.
Oh my god.
Gano'n kalaki, Doc Jai? Ay, lobat ka na!
Naka-experience ka na ba nito?
Mango talaga to.
Doc Jan,
Ano yun?
may masasabi mo sa mango shake?
Napakalaki ng mango shake nila. And it really gives me the satisfaction. This is so good. Really good.
Hey, sir.
Parang commercial. Really good.
Cheers.
Cheers, Doc Jai.
It tastes like heaven.
It's really good.
Ay, nice. Kaya nga. Ay, polish shop real.
Uy, hindi legit yun.
Ay, ito yung akin na.
So yan eh, sa'yo. Ah, ginaya mo ko?
Oy.
Oh, may mani.
Oh.
Wow. Uy, wait lang, picture na natin.
Oo, chicken yun sa'yo.
Wait natin yung kay Hanak.
Tapos mapit. Ayan na siya.
Ayoko eh.
Silver Navios WB2396.
Bubuka.
Dapat kayong dalawa. Yung sayaw mo sa ano,
Wala ko sa'yo.
yung sayaw mo sa Korea.
Ano ba yun?
You're ay, Kmart mo na lang kasi yun.
Pogi. Ayun na, Pogi.
Sige nga, Doc. Sample nga. Sige na. You're always on my mind.
Kaya mo yun. Mahina loob ko sa mga ganun.
Talikod tayo.
Yan na yung ano.